Hello, welcome to Dwayne Thomas's EE472 final project. This final project is a feedback control using a flow switch and DC pump. What we have here, first of all, let's talk about the hardware. What we have here is a 12-volt DC motor. This motor's operating voltage is from 9 to 12 volts. You can see that this motor is connected with 3/4 inch vinyl tubing to an Adafruit flow switch. And this flow switch is connected with 3/4 inch tubing to this 2.5 gallon drum of water. What I've done is cut a hole in the top of this drum, and I've also used the dispenser of the drum to feed back into my tank here. As you can see, I have the flow switch connected onto this H-bridge sensor board. This H-bridge board, basically. They use L293 chips to drive my motor. I connected the flow switch to where you would connect servos, but I'm using a DC pin 9 for my flow switch in this situation right here when I connect it to where the servos go. What I also have is my DC motor powered off, motor 1, well, you can actually see it. Then this H-bridge is being sent power from a 12-volt DC power supply, and all of this is on an Arduino Uno board. So what I plan to do is I plan to basically control the voltage going to the motor and setting my flow switch at my desired flow setting. So basically the Arduino is going to do PWM in order to control my DC motor so that I maintain a steady flow through my flow switch. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up and start running it. Let's see here. See, our motor already started and stopped. Let's see, not sure why my motor stopped. Okay, started back up again. Okay, so initially in this particular code I set my desired flow to 25. So let's go to the serial monitor and see what it's doing. Okay, there we go. As you can see on our serial monitor, it's hovering around 25 for the flow switch, and the speed of the motor is changing in order to maintain that. There we go, it's trying to maintain a 25. Now let's go ahead and change our code. Let's try to maintain, let's say 30. I'm gonna type in 30 in there, upload that. Let's try to upload that one more time. I had a problem there. Alright, now let's go to our serial monitor and see what motor is trying to do. Alright, you see this flow switch isn't as accurate, so it's bouncing up and down all over the place. But what my motor is trying to do is just maintain 30 the best it can, and as you can see, the number is hovering around 30. We want to see a bigger change, so let's just go to a lower number so we can see that bigger change. Let's go down to 20. Let's see. Let's go to serial monitoring. There we go. As we can see, our flow is hovering around that lower number 20 right now because my pump is changing speed, trying to maintain that flow of 20. There we go. It's my feedback control project. Thank you.